Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do number 2 out of our problems 1 through 25. First, we start with a 5 by 3 by 2 inch block. Next, we have to figure out what side we're going to draw on. There's a couple different ways you can do this one. So first, let's show you how to do it on top. Go to Start 2D Sketch, choose our top, then we get our rectangle. Okay, and from this bottom corner, you can see that that's the part that's missing. Okay, so it's going to be the entire width of the object, which is 3. So hit tab 3, tab, and then if you notice out of 5, there's 3 remaining. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Enter. We can hit finish, and we're going to push that down 1 inch. Extrude, go opposite, change that to 1. Okay? Then I hit OK. The other way to do it is, let me back up here. We can do it from this side or this side as well. So let's go Start 2D Sketch, choose that side. Rectangle. Okay, now we're going to the upper right hand corner. So click that. And then we still go in 2 inches, but the height left over is out of the 2, there's 1 left, so we go 1. So 2 by 1, hit enter, finish, extrude, then you can go distance all, since it goes all the way through, and you'd hit OK. The third way we can do this particular one is from this side. So if you go Start Sketch, on that side, rectangle, okay, from either the top left or top right, doesn't matter, click and pull it over. We know it's the whole width, so the whole width is 3, hit tab, and then again, out of 2, there's only 1 remaining, so 1. So 3 by 1, enter, finish, extrude. We go in, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Click OK, and that's problem number 2.